What's good guys, welcome to another video on NJ Rides. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on a bunch of RCM parts I've ordered. So big shout out to James Marshall Motorsport. So James, thanks for helping us get the parts in from the UK. And a big shout out to Olly from RCM himself in the UK too. Olly's been a massive help in terms of supporting us or supporting me on this build. So thank you Olly. If you don't know RCM, they're an awesome company over in the UK. They engineer some awesome parts for the Subaru platform and build the Gobstopper 1, 2 and now 3 as well. So check them out. I'll put the links for RCM and James Marshall Motorsport in the comments below. Do check them out and hit them up if you want quality parts for the Subaru platform. Yeah, so unboxing video. I've got the big box from James Marshall Motorsport. I'm just going to unpack it, show you guys all the bits and pieces. I will do a 2-part series on all the parts and processes that need to go into building a 800 horsepower Subaru STI. So I'll do that next, so I'll split it into essentially what it will take to build the block and the heads and then all the supporting parts that are required. So watch out for that. Also, if you guys have any more creative names or ideas for my channel name, put those in the comments below as well. Keen to hear your thoughts. I think you know roughly what I'm about or what this channel's about. So yeah, chuck your comments in below. Be keen to hear your thoughts. But yeah, let's get into this. Alright, so I got the box open. I don't know about you guys, but when I get car parts, feels like Christmas has come early. So yeah, here we go. Got all the parts in there. You can see sneak peek, some headers. But I'm not going to bore you with the details of unpacking the actual boxes, so here we go. Alright guys, this is pretty damn exciting. So here we've got some RCM equal length headers. I'll unwrap those in a minute. The fitting kit for those said headers. And these beautiful black boxes. Twin scroll sump. High grip cam belt tensioner. And these are probably the oil pickup maybe in fitting. So yeah, let's get them open. Alright guys, so I had this completely wrong. These are my head studs. So I ordered 1412 RCM super studs. Man, these are a thing of beauty. Look at how well they're wrapped up in things. So basically 1412 means I can go 14 mil into the block. And 12 into the head, which doesn't require any major machine work in the heads, and they should still hold down significant torque to basically reach the boost levels I'm after. So great product from RCM there. There's just the fitting kit for the manifold, nothing too crazy but quality stuff nonetheless. This here is the RCM high grip timing belt tensioner. So the reason you want one of these is essentially if you're going to be running a big high horsepower build on a Subaru, you want to make sure your timing belt doesn't jump. You might remember when I talked about the build I'm doing, the trigger that basically started this build was that I did jump a tooth on my timing when I was setting up my launch control. Basically one tooth, so nothing happened to the actual engine, but this device here, expensive as it is, can save your engine, so a must have on big builds. Now this thing, oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is my twin scroll baffled sump. So got the oil pickup here. It's got I can't even remember what it is, but you got this little better kind of windage pickup thing in there that you can use. Probably got that completely wrong, but hey. Instructions, not that you'd need them. All the sump bolts and quality products, and look at this thing, holy moly, oh my god, oh my god, this thing is damn nice. So the cool thing about the RCM twin scroll sump, I'm just trying to find it, it has a drain port that is an AND fitting, I believe. So basically you can plumb your AOS or your catch can drain directly into the sump here. I'm just going to check if that actually is the right one. Yes it is. which means like for an air oil separator setup that I'm running, you can literally just directly run it into there without having to deal with a crankcase breather vent port, which is really cool. So awesome product. Based on my chats with Olly, this is basically the best twin scroll sump you can get without going into a baffled sump. So obviously there's plenty of debates around whether, you know, a Killer Bee sump or an RCM sump or any other sump is the best thing to use. So the RCM sump is a sump is a Group N rally sump, so obviously it gets pushed pretty hard. So I would trust that, you know, if the sumps aren't failing or they're not having all pressure issues in that scenario, it's going to be great for what I'm going to be using it for. So yeah. Oh my gosh, what do we have here? Beautiful twin scroll. Ironic. Beautiful twin scroll headers from RCM. So obviously twin scroll is the most efficient way, arguable again, to make power on a Subaru or any other application really. But due to basically the way the cylinders fire, you can basically send gas into each scroll of the turbo, and effectively means that you can make your turbo spool up quicker than say a single scroll, and if you do the sizing and your wastegate's right, you also have good top end power. So yeah, not a bad haul overall. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be another one coming up soon, like I said, about the 2-part series on the motor build and the parts to support 800 horsepower, so stay tuned.